Susie and Stella. Stella, Susie says, let's play a game. Look, we've got a toy house and we have got a lot of furniture. Let's put this furniture in the rooms. Look, we have got a dining room or hall. We've got a kitchen. And we've got a bathroom too, and 3 bedrooms. Okay, Susie, let's play. Susie, put this lamp in the bedroom. Which bedroom, Stella? Put this lamp in the blue bedroom, on the bedside table, on a small white bedside table. Okay, Susie. Now, put this chair in the kitchen. Okay, Stella. Susie, put this wardrobe in the bedroom. Which bedroom, Stella? Put it in the pink bedroom, next to the bed. Okay. Now, put this lamp in the hall next to the phone. Okay, Stella. Okay, put this pan in the kitchen on the gas oven. Okay, Stella. Susie, put the toilet in the bathroom under the mirror. Okay, Stella. Thank you. And put the armchair in the hall next to the sofa and under the clock. Put the kettle in the kitchen on the gas oven. Okay, and put the cups and the plates in the kitchen in the sink. They are dirty. We will wash the dishes and the cups. Okay, Stella. Now what is left? Flowers. Put the flowers in the kitchen next to the sink and near the window. Yes, Stella. Thank you, Susie.